Hi everyone and welcome back to Sunroom. And in this series, we've seen that everything is attached to one very simple base, and it's just very simple attachments. And today, for our fifth attachment, it is it's to reverse turn the lifter or the escalator in the 2020 city shape FLL map. And then first we want to push it down and then lift it up afterwards to complete our mission. And now you see our attachments. You can see all the little components you need for this little attachment, as well as the instructions for building it. And you can see it's just one very long, simple tube that we need for a very precise pushing and lifting. It also has to be sturdy. When you add these two parts together, you get the full attachment, and you could put it onto the left side of the robot base attachment. You can see the robot going forward, following the things, and just pushing something down and then returning. So it's just very one simple fluid motion. And then you're welcome to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching.